Hi, how are ya? I'm Haley, and I'm coming to you from a different angle in my room. I have this amazing group of friends, and Wisteria is actually one of them. She's one of my best friends, and she recently gave me a little shout out in one of her videos, so thank you. I love you very much. It's helped a lot, actually. Two of my best friends from that group built me this PC, this beautiful, amazing, gorgeous PC that has now become my baby. Just watching him build it, I don't know, my brain cannot wrap around how he did this with no instructions and nothing to go off of. He's pretty much built a computer for everybody in our little group of friends. I can't thank him enough. Anyway, this is a speed build of my PC, and I hope you enjoy.
Alright, that power supply is in there, so I'm good.
take a minute to say thank you to some people. To Isaac for building this computer, and to Brian too for helping him and getting all the shots where he had the GoPro literally tied around his head in a really uncomfortable way. And another thank you to Brian for always helping me every time I've called him panicking or had a question or just didn't know what I was doing and stupid little things that I didn't know how to do. He was patient and he helped me and he showed me how to do certain things and didn't get frustrated with me and helped me a lot. Now that I have something that I can actually play games on, I'm hoping to do some more maybe Let's Plays. I want to try to maybe do some walkthroughs of some scarier games. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I plan on doing it and I'm excited to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching my PC build. I hope you enjoyed it. It took a while to build. I think it took my friends 2 or 3 days, and then it took a whole day of editing. So anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.